Hi there, my name is Andrew Schneider with Systems Environmental Products. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the 4-gallon Surge TIDAL Backpack Sprayer. Let's get to it. Coming up first, we have the instruction manual for the backpack sprayer. Next, we have the charger for the battery on the backpack sprayer. Following that, we have the 2.6 amp hour battery. We have the 2 blue clips that come with the backpack to hold the lance and the spray gun. The backpack sprayer comes with 3 tips. One of them is a jet stream, the next one is a 25-degree fan, and an adjustable cone nozzle. We also have the strainer filter. Next up, we have the stainless steel lance. This is an 18-inch spray lance. And last but not least, the backpack sprayer. And with that, we've successfully unboxed the 4-gallon Surge TIDAL Backpack Sprayer. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-367-4015 or visit us at www.systemsenvironmental.com.